Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining scope and supplying core materials so Jenni can work with context. Tell Jenni the topic, date range, and citation style, then paste abstracts or upload files. Once done, ask Jenni for a structured first draft, introduction, thematic sections, and gaps. This gets you concrete output immediately instead of vague brainstorming. Make sure to include 10-20 representative sources so the draft reflects breadth. This helps Jenni prioritize themes and reduces hallucination risk. Next, you break the draft into themes and push Jenni to synthesize rather than summarize. Ask for comparisons across methods, highlight contradictions, and request supporting quotes with source tags. Then critique the output, point out weak arguments or missing citations, and have Jenni revise. Once done, prompt for concise tables or matrices to map findings against variables. These visuals clarify patterns. Make sure to iterate until arguments flow logically and each claim links back to cited sources. Finally, you polish and format the review for submission. Instruct Jenni to tighten prose, improve transitions between themes, and standardize citations to your chosen style. Then export the bibliography and cross-check references against originals. If something looks off, stop and query Jenni for exact source sentences or page numbers. Ask for rewrites that include explicit citations. One key troubleshooting tip: when you suspect hallucination, highlight the sentence and demand a source-backed alternative. Never accept.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.